Borderlands Mega Construct Black Series Claptrap unboxing and review. If you ever played Borderlands, you'll remember this little guy, Clapbot. He's very annoying. I really like these Mega Construct minifigures. So I thought I'd pick this one up. Maybe use it with my G.I. Joes. Let's bust them out of the packaging. This is kind of cool. Check this out. Got a little tab there to pull on and open it up. Makes it convenient. Especially for kids when they're trying to open packaging so they don't have to bust out like sharp objects and stuff. Anyways, I'll continue to get them out of that package. In the package you get Clapbot, a few accessories, and a instruction sheet, as well as a figure stand. And this piece are to hold him on his figure stand. Here he is in all his glory. It's got some really tiny pieces like this antenna and these little parts here. His arms are articulated. He has that one wheel thing, which is also rubber, which I think is pretty cool. That little piece holds that thing on so he can sit on his figure stand. Let's find a Joe to compare him to. He's pretty small next to my G.I. Joes, but that's okay. They make a nice little rover or drone of some sort. I think he's actually a really neat size for something like that. Since he's compatible with Legos, I could build a ROV that could deploy him for special missions. There isn't any other removable parts on him that you could disassemble him. His arms are snapped into a ball socket, and the little flaps above his arms also snap in. This little wheel does turn side to side, which is pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think. This is a buy or pass. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.